Okay, the range of the possible measure of other side. Okay. So, when we say range, okay, let be an unknown side of a triangle. Meaning, anak, may missing measure tayo ng sides ng triangle. So, how to find the missing measure of the given triangle? Okay, to find the range of the possible measure of side B, which is the missing. Si B, anak, siya yung hinahanap na side or yung measurement ng side. Okay, the inequality below may be used. So, we're going to use this formula. Okay, so B is missing. Then, si A at si letter C, yung mga given na measurement ng triangle. So, what we're going to do is, we need to use this formula to find the missing measure. To find the range of the possible measure of side B. Okay, so the formula is the difference of two sides. Magma-minus tayo. Sa right side naman ay magpa-plus tayo. Okay, so madali lang po ito, anak, kapag ang given ay katulad nito. Okay, for example, the two sides of a triangle measures 15 at 9 cm. Ilan lang yung binigay na measurement? Dalawa lang po, si 15 at si 9. So what we're going to do, automatic, anak, class, ang hinahanap ay si letter B. Okay, to find the measure of the third side, so we're going to use this formula. Okay, so the difference of two sides, dito naman the sum of two sides. Ano yung binigay na measurement, anak? 15 and 9. So, si 15 at 9, i-subtract natin. Iba-minus natin sa left side. This will become 15 minus 9. And then, kokopyahin natin yung inequality symbol na to. Then, dito naman ay sum. So, ipa-plus naman natin. 15 plus 9. And then, we're going to simplify na. 15 minus 9, 6. Then, copy. 15 plus 9, 24. So, to read this, since dalawa ang ating inequality symbol, pag pinasa natin to, anak, mag-start tayo sa middle lagi. Okay, si B. Dahil kinain si B, ang tawag na dito ay greater than. So, we can read this as B is greater than 6 but less than 24. Now, how to find the exact value of letter B? Okay, kunin natin yung mga number, mga possible numbers ni letter B. O, takpan ko muna to. Sino po ang kinain? So, ibig sabihin, si B ay mas mataas, mas malaki kay, at anong number yun? 7. Then, dito naman po tayo. Takpan mo to. Sino po ang kinain? So, ibig sabihin, si B ay mas mataas or mas mababa? At anong number yung mas mababa sa 24? 23. So, meaning, ang mga possible range, possible number ay naglalaro from 7 to 23. Pero pag tinanong, anak, what is the range of possible number? Ito po ang ating isasagot. Do you understand? O, tapos, paano, ma'am, kung may follow-up questions? Give at least 3 possible numbers. So, mamimili ka lang dito. Ano-ano po yung mga number na pagpipilian mo? Simula 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and so on up to 23 lang. O, let us try an example. O, give me one number. Okay, na naglalaro sa 7 to 23. O, for example, 8. O, palitan natin to ng 8. So, this will become 6. O, check natin. Sino kinain? Tama, mali. O, true statement. Dito naman, sino kinain? True or false? Okay, therefore, tama ang ating mga possible range. Any question? Do you understand?